Hello friends, today we are going to discuss unit second, that is project time management of a project management. Here we are going to discuss there are different things, that is what is what is schedule, what is the importance of schedule management, what are the what are the importance of a schedule. There are different six procedures are available for the same, and here we are also going to discuss what are the different scheduling techniques and tools are available in market to uh, to schedule the task. That's why a user or a client can we are able to satisfy the customers within their time or within their schedule. So first of all, we are going to discuss what is time management. This is the very important concept of a triple consent in a project. What is project is nothing but the uh, what we can say that a dreams into reality. But whenever we discuss about the project, there are triple constraints is to be considered. First of all, time. Next one is scope, cost or budget, and quality. So this is the time constraint, and this is very important to construct or develop a particular project. And what is project is nothing but the dreams into reality. So what is importance of a project schedule? To organize and complete your project in a timely and quality and financially responsible manner, you need to schedule projects carefully. So what is that? If you wanted to satisfy the customer's requirement, you have to timely and quality and financial responsible manner. You have to satisfy the customer requirement within their time and budget. Next one is effective project scheduling plays a crucial role in ensuring project success. So what is that key? You have to complete the project task or deliverables within the customer's schedule. What we can say that, for example, if a customer or client wanted to complete their project from us from up to the December month, but due to some problems we can't able to give them their project within the timely manner. So that will that will affect your quality or affect your productivity of a developer's productivity. So you have to satisfy the customer's requirement within their time or schedule. Next, to keep project on a track, set realistic time frames, assign resources appropriately, and manage quality to decrease product errors. Yes, exactly. Now next one. This typically results in reduced cost and increased customer satisfaction. What is that? In next lecture we are going to discuss uh, time cost trade-off. In that we are going to discuss things how the scheduling is important to reduce the cost. So time crashing and budget crashing is to be there. So we will discuss this thing later. Important factors include financial, documentation, management, and quality assurance. So that is for project schedule. Why the project schedule is important? Why we satisfy the customer within their time? Okay. In next lecture, we are going to discuss. There are different six phases or processes in project time management. Thank you.